Hello, my name is Dias Demilf, and I'm a second year student of specialty and economy. And today I'm gonna talk about how I create a website. It's for a science project for information communication technology, and I'm gonna tell you how I created the site step by step. First of all, we need to get into the Google Chrome and write uh, wix.com. It's a site editor, and here it's the main list of the site editor. And you click here to get started, and you just log in or sign up if you don't have account. I have account and I just log in. And mainly is when you sign up or login up of the site wix.com is the site editor. First main list of this. Here it's your sites, my sites, and you just uh, created a new site. If you don't have this, you just create a new site or create a new folder. You just click here and create a new site. And that's what's like what kind of site do you want to create is a different type of site. For example, maybe it's about a business, about online store, about photography, music design, and etc. Click here, you just festival, and you just maybe you create start now just without any template, or you just choose a template. My advice, choose a template because it's really help to understand uh, understand what about your site. And here it's a lot of template about business category. It's about maybe coming soon landing, vintage car garage, consultant, virtual assistant, home organizer, sports psychology consultant. For example, you here just click here and you can see edit and view. It's just you can see the template of this site and click here edit, and you just starting to edit the site. um, but it's really help if I show you my sites. Here it's select and edit the site. For example, it's really help because I create a site really easy and simple. And wix.com is a really a simple, and it's pretty simple site editor. And you also have, you can create site with wordpress.com, or you just, if you're a programmer, you can create a site with HTML and CSS and JavaScript. But if you're not and you want to create your site faster and easier way, that's wix.com. It's really cool for creating a site. Here, a site actions, you just a few live sites, or you can see this edit a site. First of all, a few of this site about my faculty. It's economic, faculty of economic and law. Here, just the main list of this site. And first of all, you can see this domain. This is a domain of the this give you this domain, but you can buy your own domain if you don't wanna. Like here, it's advertising of the this.com. So here it's first of all it's about a faculty. Here it's a specialty of this faculty, about context of decan of this faculty here, and about where is our faculty. In the background, the pages is images of my faculty. Here and next pages, it's about faculty history and when the faculty is built. Next, it's a reward of faculty. Um, Here it's about these pictures, and you just all in it's you can also edit everything in here, just clicking edit the site, and here just downloading. It's downloading so slow. Here, just here you can see you can this editor. You just can edit everything in here. Backgrounds, images. Here it's images, logos, and text. Here, for example, maybe edit text. You just here to edit something. For example, I don't know, or the next and you just here you just click here and change images. For example, design, maybe you can change the design of this no frame, for example, like this, and you can also change designing of this logos and images. Here you can edit everything in here. Just click here and you can change design. For example, maybe I want not a so deep blue. For example, you can change or white maybe here, but I like that. So, next, you just page this. You can switch pages. For example, maybe this is a main page. Next, it's about a faculty's history, reward, and specialty. Here you can switch to mobile version, and you can see how your website look in cell phone. Here it's how it's looking your site um, in a mobile phone, and switch to desktop. It's here. Next, it's site. For example, you can save it, preview, get feedback, publish, and etc. Tools, toolbar. For example, if I click here, you can see this a toolbar. Next, what's here? It's menus and pages. You can switch the pages. For example, maybe I want main page was about faculty's history, and next just change again. Page translation, for example, horizontal, vertical, crossfade, etc. Here, background, you can change the background images or color or video. Maybe you want to put on background your own video. Adding, for example, you can add everything what you want. For example, by menu or etc. Here is add apps. You can just add your own apps. It's Wix Market. Here it's free apps, chat, blog, or etc. Here media and start a blog, and here, and you can just switch here. It's to changing to get back under, and rather it's to zoom and radar, and you can view and organize all the section on your pages at once. For example, here Next, and you can if you change, for example, something, you can just preview, and you can just see what's happening with your site when you edit and change something. Here you just click here to switch to the second pages, and back to editor. You can also save and publish. For example, if you save, you don't see the changing, and you can just edit domain of this site. For example, I want to call it Econo just domain. And publish now or done. If you don't publish it, it's not changing. But if you publish it, for example, let's not, for example, done, click on done, and then here, click here, view live site, click here. Oh, wait a minute, I changed the domain of the site. Well, look at it. So yeah, if you change the domain, you can find your site. So you need to go back to the main page, my sites, and choose that. And for example, view a live site. For example, you don't have any changing, any editors. What are you editing? For example, in when I edit, I just deleting that and but they don't delete because I don't publish it. Yeah, it's really pretty simple to use Wix.com to create your own website. Yeah, yeah, and you just created your own website in your home, and so fast. You just create your own site. For example, I create this site for 30 seconds, for 30 minutes, but you can create your own site for 5 minutes. Yes, thank you for your attention, and goodbye.